In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove spacing from anywhere in Squarespace. If you've ever wondered why there's unexpected empty space around your sections or between your content blocks, this walkthrough will show you how to take control of it quickly and cleanly, all within the built-in editor. Start by opening the page you want to adjust in your site editor, then enter Section Editing. Look for the option to edit the section itself, not just an individual block, so you're adjusting the container that controls the overall layout and spacing. Inside the section settings, find the control labeled Gap. This is the setting that governs the horizontal and sometimes vertical space between items inside the section, such as columns or stacked blocks. Choose the gap type that best fits your layout. Different gap types provide different base spacing behaviors, so pick the one that gets you closest to the look you want. Remember, you can refine it further in a moment. Next to Gap, open the additional options by clicking the three dots. This is where you'll unlock more precise control. Once you expand those advanced options, use the slider to fine-tune the spacing. Slide gradually and watch the preview update in real time. If your content starts to feel cramped, nudge the slider back until headlines, images, and buttons breathe just enough. Tiny adjustments here often make the biggest visual difference, especially on pages with multiple columns. Below that, look for the setting labeled Height. This controls the vertical space of the section itself. Choose S, M, or L depending on how compact or roomy you want the section to feel. S is great for tight, minimal sections like simple announcements or small hero areas. M offers balanced spacing for most content layouts. L gives your content extra breathing room, which can help long text blocks or large imagery feel more premium. If your page feels too long, try stepping down from L to M or S to reduce scrolling without sacrificing clarity. Finally, set the alignment for the content within the section. Alignment determines whether your text and blocks sit left, centered, or right, and it subtly affects perceived spacing. Center alignment can help even out white space in symmetrical designs, while left alignment often feels clean and structured for text-heavy sections. Pick the alignment that supports your layout and keeps the page balanced. That's it. By editing the section, choosing the appropriate gap type, opening the advanced gap options, adjusting the slider, selecting the right section height, and dialing in alignment, you can remove unwanted spacing and achieve a polished, consistent look across your Squarespace site.